Today we're going to talk about an equivalent expression. Well, first off, let's figure out what equivalent means. Equa is how the word starts, so it means equal. So equivalent means equal, and an expression means that there's no equal sign. So it's not an equation. We're not trying to solve. We're just going to come up and generate an equivalent expression by doing what? Combining like terms. So let's dive right in. Whenever you first see a variable expression, you need to analyze it before you start and look at all its pieces and parts. So let's do that. Remember, I can only combine if I have like terms. So here's a 20a that has a variable. Here's a plus 18. Well, it doesn't have a variable, so I can't add those, okay? So let's skip that for now and go on down to this one. Well, this is a 16a. It has the same variable. So I underline the sign in front of it because that plus sign tells me what to do. So now I can take 20a plus 16a and get 36a. Well, what about this 18? It's not a like term, so I take the sign in front of it and just copy it down. I can't add these because once again, this one has an A, this one does not, so I'm done. Now this one might look a little scary because it's long, but trust me when I tell you, I don't care if this variable expression wrapped all the way around my classroom on every board. It's the same process. Analyze it first and then combine like terms. For example, let's start at the beginning. I have 7s. So there's that one. Can I add the plus 8t? No, because the s and the t are not like terms. So skip that for now. Go on down. Well, this has an s, so I can add them. So 7s plus 10s is just 17s. Well, I still have these t variables left. They have the same variable raised to the same power. If I take the sign in front of it, that's a positive 8t plus a 12t. So if I add those, that gives me a positive 20t. You might be tempted to go ahead and add those two, but remember you cannot. Like terms have to have the same variable, and these do not. Let's look at just one more. Oh my gosh, Miss Shetler, look at all that. That looks so hard. But really it's not. Analyze it first. Here I have a 4y squared. Scan through the rest of it. Is there another term that has a power of 2? No, no, and no. So I'm just going to copy that one down because there's nothing I can do with it. Keep going. Here I have a plus 9y. And look, this is a like term. Minus 2y. Always take the sign in front of it and that tells you what to do. So a positive 9 minus 2 is a positive 7y. Well, what about this lonely 3 hanging out here at the end? Well, it doesn't have a variable, so I can't combine it with anything else I have up here, so I just bring it down. You might be tempted once again to add these, but can you? No. Like terms have the same variable, which these do, but they're not raised to the same power. So this is it. This is as far as you can go. I hope this helps you as we continue our distance learning together. Bye.